If you would like to know how I achieved this Bun Hawk, please continue to watch the video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe and become a part of the Free to Be Kinky family. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Thanks. Hey, it's me, Marita. So let's get started on this Bun Hawk. We're starting with a section in the back, with a part going ear to ear, a middle section, and then the bang section. There's 3 sections. I'm actually refreshing this hairstyle and thought this time around I would do it on camera. So I'm just gonna moisturize. Most of you all know I moisturize with aloe vera juice, use a cream, and then an oil. Typically it's olive oil. Moisturizing, now I'm about to go in with my gel just to give it a more smooth look, and this time around I'll be using my Gorilla Snot gel. As you see here, I'm just working the product through, and I'm going to use a brush now to get everything smooth down. Some people don't use any tools. If you don't want to, you don't have to, but I like to get this for this style. I like it to have a very smooth look, so I use a brush. Now I'm just using a fabric covered ponytail holder to create my first ponytail. Section, you just repeat everything we did at the bottom, the whole moisturizing and with the liquid, the cream, and the oil, and then adding the gel. Once again, we're going to smooth all these products in to make it a smooth base to prepare for the second ponytail. Clipping the top part away so I can start working on the buns on the bottom ponytail. Make sure you have a bottom and a top section on that back ponytail. Now I'm just rolling my hair with my fingers to make a little bun roll. The good thing about this style is that your hair doesn't have to be long. You can do it on shorter hair or medium or long hair. It doesn't matter really the length, depending on how big you want your buns to be. Now as you see, I'm just pinning the buns down on both sides just to make sure they lay flat down on my head. Repeat the same thing on the top section. Just for a tip, I would suggest that you do this style on a braid out or a twist out or something that will give your hair a little more texture, just to give it just a prettier look. If you want to have some kind of texture in your hair, you could do a twist out, or like if you have an old twist out or old braid out, this style will really look nice on it because it'll be stretched already and then it has a little texture. I believe this is being done in an old twist out. Alright, once all the buns are done, now you can go in and kind of fix those edges, get them laid or slayed or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, now it's going to be time to start on the bang. Now the bang to me is however you like your hair type thing. There's no one way to do your bang, you know. It just depends on your personality. Some people want to just do a whole, like another, you know, 2 buns in the front, kind of like how we did the back, but that's not really my style. So I like something coming a little onto my forehead, or, you know, swooped over or something. Just growing in and they're just really short and won't lay down. So I'm gonna rub that for a few minutes now. Good thing I can edit that out. But yeah, so once you get it and you pat it so many times to get it to how you like it, then voila, it's done. Your Bun Hawk. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Oh wait, I don't think I'm ready to go yet. I think I'm feeling myself. What? Okay. She giving y'all that look like, I like this hairstyle. All right.